The Xiaomi M3 PRO Drone is a professional-grade quadcopter that stands out with its powerful combination of an 8K HD triple camera system, a brushless motor, and a comprehensive all-sided obstacle avoidance system. Designed for both seasoned photographers and aspiring novices, the M3 PRO offers a premium flying experience with a focus on image quality, stability, and safety. This drone is perfect for enthusiasts who demand high-resolution content and intelligent flight assistance. Professional 8K HD triple camera system. The M3 Pro's headline feature is its advanced 8K triple camera system, which is capable of capturing incredibly detailed photos and videos. This unique setup allows for both horizontal and vertical shooting, providing unparalleled flexibility for diverse creative needs. The cameras can be freely switched between the front and bottom optical flow lens, giving you the adaptability to capture various shooting scenarios, from stunning landscapes to dynamic action shots. All-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence thanks to the drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance system, which provides protection on all sides. This advanced feature helps the drone automatically sense and maneuver around potential collisions, making it significantly safer and easier to fly, especially for beginners in complex environments. Powerful brushless motor and stable flight. The M3 PRO is equipped with a brushless motor, which provides superior power, efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This ensures stable and reliable flight performance. The drone's Optical Flow Hover 2.0 technology further enhances stability, allowing the drone to hold its position with precision even in light wind conditions. User-friendly for novices and professionals. Designed with the user in mind, the M3 PRO is incredibly easy to operate, even for beginners. It requires no complicated operation steps, and you can fly and take photos as soon as you start. The one-key return feature brings the drone back safely with a press of a button, while the multi-speed speed adjustment caters to various flying styles. The drone also features a low battery return function, adding an extra layer of safety. High-definition image transmission and connectivity. The drone offers high-definition image transmission to Wi-Fi, ensuring a stable signal and uninterrupted control and viewing of your aerial adventures. The powerful high sensitivity of the cameras allows for shooting RAW-format pictures with great tolerance, enabling extensive post-retouching. The drone can be connected via mobile phone Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, offering versatile ways to pilot the drone. Portable and compact design. The M3 PRO features a convenient foldable design, with a folded size of 13 by 8 by 7 cm and an expanded size of 20 by 20 by 7 cm. This makes it easy to transport in the included bag, perfect for any aerial adventure. In summary, the Xiaomi M3 PRO drone is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile quadcopter. Its unique 8K triple camera system, advanced all-sided obstacle avoidance, and powerful brushless motor make it a formidable tool for aerial photographers. With its user-friendly controls, intelligent safety systems, and portable design, the M3 PRO is an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want to create high-quality content with a reliable and sophisticated drone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech unboxings.